To make this spell for rose, you will need to draw or cut out a 5 to 6 sided flower as a guide. If you are using a lightweight material like chiffon, organza, satin, you will require a metal template and a soldering iron to cut perfectly. You will also require a ceramic tile or glass as your cutting pad. If you don't have access to a soldering iron, you can cut out the flower shape and carefully seal the edges with the help of a lighter. While using very lightweight materials like chiffon and organza, you will have to double the material or use a gum stay to make it a bit solid. For this project, I will be using this peach chiffon material. Once your soldering iron gets very hot, you can start cutting while you firmly hold the template in position. While cutting, you must avoid being too fast or too slow. If you noticed, I didn't fold the fabric to make it solid. This is because I prepared the fabric using starch. This is another way you can prepare a lightweight material in order to make it stiff when necessary. You can see the result for other fabrics. You will only need 5 pieces of this floral pattern to complete your flower, with one serving as the base. First, you will have to fold all 4 of the floral patterns twice to get this result, and finally join them together on the remaining piece. Once you get to this point, you can now attach your centerpiece or embellishment, which could be a button or some beads. To apply a bead, you can simply use your needle and thread.